Yeah. Go ahead. So the drone is coming in to rescue the guy who's in distress. Okay. Careful, steady, and can also put off the building which is on fire. Alright, so it helps a dual purpose, what we explained to you in the beginning.
So here we have two scenarios where drones could be useful in rescue operations. So the first one is a beach scene where there's someone drowning, and it's faster to send a tube on a drone rather than to use a lifeguard sending the tube. And the second scenario is a burning building where we could take a fire hose where the firefighters can't go. So if we do a demonstration, so the drone...